How you doing? This is Vasquez Auto Repair one more time. Today I want to replace instrument cluster on a 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sport. The reason is because the AC, it doesn't work right. So sometimes when you turn the knob to the blower low to high speed, and you press this button right here, the AC lights comes on, but the AC compressor doesn't turn on. So I'm already replaced these controls, and I found the instrument cluster is bad. This thing works together with the AC right here, so replace it for a good use cluster, and the store said it's 100% working. So after that I want to program the miles to the Jeep according with 98,049 miles. I'm gonna program those miles to this cluster by putting the VIN number on the computer. So the first thing is remove this cover from the on top on this side like that, and same thing on the other side. Try to put lights on this. So that down here, this one, just prop up like that, and same thing on this side. And after you pull that in, just pull it out and remove those two screws, one here and one on the other side right there. It's 7 millimeters. After you remove those two bolts, just pull the cover from here like that. Same thing on the other side. Alright, so we have this cover out, and now all you have to do is remove this bolt, 1, 2, 3 and 4 right there with 7 millimeters. Right there. Be careful with the bolts. You don't want these bolts to go behind the cluster. So 3, 4, okay, and just pull the instrument cluster and remove the connections. 1, 2, 3. Just pull the cluster out of the car and just put the other one. I have to test the wire going to the compressor and which one is coming from the AC controls. right here. But that's the way you replace the instrument cluster. And now just put the other one there and put the 4 screws back, and put this other cover. Just put this one first, these two, and then just push on the top. And that's all. That's how you replace instrument cluster with bad AC connections or signal to the compressor. Thanks.